everybody, thanks for stopping by. I want to do a quick video about the update on this channel. Since it is new, I am not used to recording, narrating, and everything else all at once. So it's going to take a little bit for me to get used to. Like on this one, I'll be honest with you, I had probably, I think around 12 or 13 of these gaps. This one, it was quite a bit of gaps. It's just the volume was kind of low on each one of them. And if they don't make it, if they're not going to follow within the right chart, I won't trade them. If they're just way off, it's just not really no sense in putting in a buy and sell order and stop loss and everything. So, and I know I've been just kind of a little bit quiet. I mean, I'm a quiet person anyways, but a little bit more motivating. I mean, but I'm so used to just doing this by my own. So this is all new to me. But I want this channel to be a benefit to everybody, so maybe you can learn, profit, make some money. By no means am I a professional, advisor or anything like that. All trades are done at your own risk. I mean, I had to say that. The only thing I'm doing is I'll show you my trades, everything, give you my alerts, while my buy and sell limits. But I'm just going to kind of talk about what I got going on here. I got 4 screens, and this is actually this chart right here. This account. This account is my my day trade, not my gap trade, my day trade account. So whenever I have, I'll day trade on this one, and so this is right here they're my day trades, but I'll set up like these trend lines right here. They just shows you my marks. The stop loss, the buy, the sell. So, but I did a bracket, just come up here and hit this, there's single. This will pop down, it'll give me a bracket, and I'll place an order, and I'll move my stop in and stuff like that. Trigger brackets. So anyways, this outlook right here, if I kind of wish I would have stuck into it, because it did pretty good, because I think my buy was, if I can't remember, I think today I made like, I think 12 trades so far. So, but today I'm done. I'm done for the day. So it was somewhere around this I'm thinking it's 263 or something, but I'm not sure. But anyways, it didn't hit my stop, but I got into it, and it just kind of, to be honest with you, I don't know what I did, but I didn't buy enough shares on this. But I had all these going on. It's a $2.50 stock. I should have bought like 2,500 or 5,000 shares, and made a little bit of money. I didn't make much money on this one at all, which is okay. I mean, it's going to happen. But anyways, I just want to let you guys know that I sound kind of quiet. I'm just a quiet person, but I'm trying to learn how to do all this, narrate and record, and make sure I got my mouse going from 4 different monitors, because I have this one is what I day trade on. This, even though this shows my gaps, I day trade on this one. The other screen, TD Ameritrade and First Trade, is actually where I'll place my orders at. But you can see right here where my orders will be placed, but this is just shows you where they're at. It don't show you actually my account I'm trading on, because I'll use First Trade. It's free trades, and I'll also use my other TD Ameritrade that I actually do gap trading on. Now this is my day trading account, and also I have a gap trading account. So I got 2 different ones. That is due to pretty much I use one of them as an income and the other one as a bonus, pretty much. So we'll get into more of that later. I'm not trying to hide anything from you, but then I got the first trade. Then I also got my trade ideas scanner going up. So I'm trying to narrate all 4 through these, and I just apologize for the way that I talk so slow. But now, it's I know I got to talk louder because I sit there and back and watch my videos and stuff like that. So, but anyways, what I'm gonna do is it's like this QCOM. If you watch this video right here, this QCOM, I missed this by like I think it was like 3 cents or something like that. It didn't come down into my bracket. So, what is this? Is if this was my original gap trading account, this right here would have been a buy order. This would have been my stop loss. This would have been my sell. So when it comes in to it, it has to come down into it. So pretty much how this one, it just barely came down into it, but it did. It triggered triggered a buy. So I got my order got filled, and it went up. It just didn't do what I wanted to. I wanted to do up here. It did everything way back here. It did it all the way back here within this first 10-minute candle, I think. So I just didn't. Everything wasn't going right. The volume wasn't like what I wanted to. But anyways, then also this QCOM. If you get a chance to watch this video, I missed this thing by like 3 points or 3 cents, and it would have been a fast in the first minute of the day. The gap trade would have been really good. I think it'd been. I only had 100 shares. I mean, it's a $70 stock. So I just bought 100 shares. So it'd been a quick 80, like 85, 75, about 75 bucks. It all depends on the total profit if I trade on TD Ameritrade or if I trade on First Trade. First Trade is free, but their charting is terrible. I mean, their charting is terrible. I mean, I only look at their charting. The only thing I do is place orders and sell orders. Now, my other TD Ameritrade account, that's a little bit different. I can do all this, and I use the charting, but it costs money. It's $4.95 per trade for me, so it's about around $10 round trip. And if I think I had like 12 trades today, if I did all here, that'd be $120 in commission and fees. So that'd knock a hole in my total overday profit. That's why I use First Trade, and I also use my 2 TD Ameritrade accounts. First Trade is also faster on getting your trades through. I mean, as soon as you hit buy or hit your buy, I mean, it's done and gone, and you're in. And I mean, it's the fastest. It's the fastest broker I've ever seen to getting your trades in and out, filled and sold. I mean, it's faster than TD Ameritrade. It really is. It's just their charting is terrible. They don't even have a charting. I wouldn't call it a charting, but anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and overview this. If you guys get a chance, watch this video right here. It's the OTLC and QCOM. It's the video, and you'll see where the QCOM I missed it by a few cents. And it would have been a $75 trade, within 1 minute. And that don't sound like a bunch, but it's a $70 stock. And I mean, if you go buying $1,000, 1,000 shares of them, you got a big old account. But anyways, I bought like 100, and I would have bought 100 if I barely missed it. It's pretty neat, and I like stuff like that. It's just fun watching. It's like, oh, so close, but as long as you stay in the green, it's what I'm looking for, is to stay in the green. I don't like losing my money. I usually run my stop losses really tight, and once I'm in the green, I'm in the money. Most usually I'll trail my stop. I'll just go ahead and trail it up. This is the initial buy and my initial stop, just in case it just keeps on going down through. But once it hits this and gets inside there, most usually, once it kind of narrows up and gets it back above my buy, if it don't hit my stop, then I'll move it to at least even, and then I'll trail it on up, just in case for some reason, if the market wants to just turn and go down. But I always got this, and sometimes this ain't right here. This is like, it was just sell at 275, and this thing hit 285 in the first minute. So I mean, it's not, I can't get exact on the where it's going to top out and it's going to bottom out, but we can get really close. But anyways, hey, I appreciate you guys hanging around here for just a few minutes and let me explain what's kind of going on here. I'll be having another video out tomorrow. Please go ahead and subscribe. I can't talk right now, but that's all right. It's go ahead and subscribe and please hit the notification and everything, and so you can just kind of see what's going on and how much I'm going to be improving on trying to narrate all this and make sure you guys are seeing what's going on. So when I do go live, you'll be seeing all this in live time, and you'll be seeing it on my the actual account, my actual gap trading account, because this right here is my day trading account. This one up here is my day trading account. So anyways, hey, I appreciate you guys watching by. This thing's already kind of gone a little bit longer than what I wanted to, but please subscribe, check in, just take a look, see what you think. If it's something you want to just kind of watch, go over with, I start doing live trades, or and every morning you'll be able to see what went on, profit and loss. I try to keep my losses so minimum. I'm not in the business to lose money. I'm in the business to make money. I think we all are, and that's what we want to do. And I like to help people if they can, but I'm not advising anybody to trade exact trades I trade. The only thing I'm doing is just showing you my charts and what I'm trading. But anyways, it's going to get a lot better than this. But hey, I appreciate you guys staying around. Please subscribe, and we'll see a video tomorrow. Thank you.